Hi guys, in today's video I am going to tell you about a website through which you can make free bitcoins easily, and you can make up to 50 to 100 easily. So without wasting any time, let's go to that website. The website link is provided in the description, so you just simple have to click on the sign up button and you just have to enter your email and password here. I have already signed up here, so I am just going to click on the login button, and this type of interface will appear. Just enter your phone number, email or sub account, whatever you want to enter, and password, and just click on the login. It will take a couple of time, then this window will appear. Just click on more and you can see a pop-up has been entered here, and you just have to click on the free Bitcoin. This type of interface will open when you click on the free Bitcoin. So first you have to verify with your ID card, so you can see this kind of interface, and you can easily earn up to 400 satoshis daily within 5 minutes through this website. So first you just have to click on these ads. As you can see, the timer has been and you can see that it's showing that only 44 seconds left. When this timer will be complete, you can earn 80 satoshis, which you can see at your right side within just 1 minute. So now you can see that only few seconds are left, and after this time is completed, you can earn 80 satoshis. So the timer has been completed, and you can see that a pop-up has been created. So he's saying that select all the oranges. So you have to select all the oranges on your screen and just press OK. And you can see a tick mark has been created, which can show that you have earned that. And you can also show that, and you can also see that there are 5 ads and one you have selected, so it has also marked that. So if you have any friend which you want to share this website, just click on invite friend now, and then just copy that link and set that copy link to your friend whom you want to join that. Because as you send this copy link to your friend, and when your friend joins this website, then you can also earn the same Bitcoin which your friend has been earned. And now at the end of this video, I am going to show you the payment proof. So if you want to withdraw your payment, you must have minimum 10,000 satoshis, so you can withdraw that. So if you want to withdraw, you just have to click on the withdraw button and just have to enter the amount which you want to withdraw, and click on the withdraw. Continue to learn. You can see that a pop-up has generated which shows that we will process your withdrawal within 24 hours, and continue to learn. And also subscribe to HY Official for latest videos.